One of the primary concerns that a person has whenever they're thinking about getting a divorce is, how much is this going to cost me? A contested divorce can cost a person many thousands of dollars. So I'd like to give you some tips on how to reduce the cost of your divorce. The first thing that you'll want to do is to make a consultation appointment with an attorney. The best way to determine how much a divorce is going to cost you specifically is by having that consultation with the attorney. There are many different factors that impact the cost of a divorce, such as custody issues, visitation, child support, spousal support, division of your property, your assets, as well as your debts. Now, if you do not have any children with your spouse, you don't own any property together, and you don't have any mutual debt together, and you're not seeking alimony, that obviously is a divorce that's not going to cost as much as a fully contested divorce. The best way to reduce the cost of a divorce is to not be after revenge. The cheapest divorce is the one where the parties have reached an agreement. So sit down one evening with your spouse, if this is possible, take out a pen and a sheet of paper and talk about the following issues. If you have children, you need to discuss where the children will live primarily, what the visitation schedule will be between the parents, and also child support. You also should discuss your finances. Discuss about who's going to pay what and how much on the bills. You also want to discuss who's going to remain living in the marital residence and who is going to move out and when. Another item that you'll want to talk about is the division of your personal property items, such as furniture and household goods. If you know you want to reach an agreement but not sure where to start or how to resolve certain differences, then you may want to agree to go to pre-suit mediation with a certified family court mediator. This is an experienced mediator who can help you sort out the issues and give you suggestions on how to resolve your differences. You can also try the collaborative law approach, which will reduce the cost of your divorce. The collaborative law approach is also based on specific types of agreements between the parties. The thing to remember is what drives the cost of a divorce up the most. Anything that is not agreed upon. Why? Because you have to go to court to have a judge decide it for you. There's the cost and time of preparing a case for court, the cost of actually going to court. So anything you can agree upon, you should. Anything you can agree upon with the help of a mediator also narrows the issues even more. The less you are arguing over, the more money you will save in your divorce. Another way that you can control the cost of your divorce is by the attorney that you use. If you have a divorce situation that's not that complex, then you could use an attorney who has less experience. A newer attorney will have a lower rate and will be just as qualified to handle your divorce as any other attorney. So you may want to consider an attorney with less experience. Now, if you have complex situations with your divorce, then you'll obviously want to use a more seasoned attorney who has much more experience. Obviously, that attorney is going to cost you more to use and will have a higher hourly rate. For more information, please see my other informative videos at my YouTube channel at Attorney Regina Ward, or visit my website at attorneyreginaward.com.